they say to pull out the stock material 2 3/4 inches. And so we can operate the chuck on the lathe. We want to pull out our stock material, and we want to measure that. So I'm going to measure it with this square and ruler. I'm going to set this to 2 3/4 inch. And I set it just a little bit past that. And then I can hold my ruler up on the part, and I want to push it up to the point of the chuck here that's furthest out, the closest to the turret. So I've got it out at 2 3/4 inch. And I step on the foot pedal to close the chuck jaws. And then I want to double check that I've measured that correctly. So I got 2 3/4 inch, maybe just a hair past that.